Good morning!
One time, there lived a dragon in a castle, trying to find his princess. And when? Really? Aw, that's sad. No! We're not talking about... Camera rolling.
2, 3.
One day, I said to my dad, "Make me a sandwich." And he said, "Poof, your sandwich." Now I hate sandwiches.
One time, I was at a farm, and when I was at a farm, I pet this cow, and she looked like she was gonna bite me, and I said, "No!" And I just was shooken up by it. And my dad said, "Don't get shooken up like a milkshake." And I was like, "What? What does that mean?" And then he started explaining a little more, and then I knew what he meant. Cows. Milkshakes. I'm traumatized for life. Go away.
Hey guys, I'm a celebrity and all, but even us celebrities have traumatizing events. Like one day, I was riding my horse and tripped and fell over. I broke my arm. Came home. I told my dad that. He said that the horse said, "I can't get you up." And I was traumatized, scarred for life. And that's how that story went.
One time I was reaching for my milk and my daddy said, "Oh, do you want a milkshake with those claws?" And milk's never been the same since.
Think about something kind of sad, like a rabbit being taken up like by a bird. Okay, no, go ahead. I'm on a time crunch.
Oh, sorry.
Absolute crunch. Ah!
Is it on?
Just starting. Oh, milk. I was at a farmer.